When I was just a little girl, I asked my
I am the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung's first ever foldable Galaxy phone. So at Samsung's Developer Conference 2018, Samsung had showcased the foldable Infinity Flex display that will be available on its first foldable smartphone. And at CES 2019, the company had shown this foldable phone to selected audience behind closed doors. But now Samsung with name had posted a video a couple of hours ago in which you can see the foldable phone, and the way it is folding is very similar, like it has a secondary display outside the phone. And a lot of people are assuming that this is the Galaxy Fold that Samsung is gonna announce at February 20th Unpacked event. But I have to say that this is not the actual foldable phone that Samsung is going to launch at their Unpacked event. This is just the concept like the other devices what Samsung showed off in this video, like this fully bezel-less tablet and this Samsung phone with new Infinity display. Means these are just concepts as of now, but sometime in the future these all things will be happen. Now this video is not just about the concepts, this video also hints some of the features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 family, and that features are based on AR, yes, the fourth revolution, aka augmented reality. As you can see in this video, the man is trying different clothes in this big screen, but in the S10 family you will be able to try different clothes with the help of 3D TOF camera. And as for the gaming, here you can see in the S10 Plus users will be able to play archery games with the help of 3D camera, but these are just my guess, nothing is confirmed yet about these AR features. Also we have a new Samsung patents via Let's Go Digital, which shows a foldable tablet with a D-pad and keys giving you a controller for the gaming setup. When it's folded, it's like a normal tablet, but when you unfold it, it can become even larger tablet with controller. It's almost like a full of mobile console, or I would say Android console, because as you have seen, games on mobile platform is getting better day by day, so this thing can actually be a great product for mobile gamers. So this is all on the foldable technology of Samsung. This is how foldable phone of Samsung will look in future, and gaming phones are also redesigned with this foldable display. So future is looking very great, and these all things will start from February 20th when future will be unfolded. Let me know what you think about these all stuff and what you think about the AR things which are coming with the S10 family. I am eagerly waiting for your comments, and please make sure to subscribe for the full coverage, and yeah, see you soon.